It's summertime. Hopefully you are enjoying yourself. Well, I know I'm enjoying myself, especially on this walk in this stunning area that's in the northwest of Calgary, a mature area, and it checks all the criteria: the outdoor spaces, schools, entertainment, amenities, grocery stores, abundant living space, check. Well, here I am in the stunning Ravines of Royal Oak, Calgary Northwest. And boy, I'm telling you, this place is beautiful. I could honestly come out, sit out in my backyard and just hear the birds, a little bit of that wind blowing, typical for Calgary, and just enjoy the sights. Today we're going to take a look at a Jansen Homes townhome called the Ravines of Royal Oak, right behind me. Now Jansen uses really good quality materials for these builds and a lot of their other homes, which really affords for longevity of the build. To top it all off, these places are walkouts right onto the pond and the ravine areas in Royal Oak. Now these townhomes, they have over 1,800 square feet, close to 1,900 square feet of living space, double car garages, not tandem, side by side to park your car, plus a flex room on the main area once you enter from the garage. And it has a wonderful gourmet kitchen layout. The ensuite here is a deluxe 5-piece ensuite. Because each of the floors are 9-foot ceilings, you have nice large windows. I'm excited to show this to you. There are some units still available here. So if you want more information, reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get going and take you into the Ravines of Royal Oak by Jansen Homes. Welcome to the Ravines of Royal Oak by Jansen Homes. These beautiful units are available both with a 3-bedroom or a 2-bedroom option with 2.5 bathrooms, walk-in closets, cozy flex space, side-by-side in-suite laundry, deck spaces with views, and much more. The model that we're going to take a look at today is plan number 3, which has 1,883 square feet. It does have 3 bedrooms on the top floor. On the exterior, you'll notice the double car attached garage and that premium exterior finishing. You can see the stone veneer decor there, as well as a triple glazed aluminum clad windows. In the rear, you could see that there's that covered patio, which would provides for some shade and protection from the rain and the elements to be able to enjoy the pond in the back. Some of the features in the inside is the full height kitchen cabinets, soft close drawers and doors throughout, full extension drawers, quartz countertops all throughout the place, the LVP on the floor as well as tile and carpet, and 9-foot walls on all 3 levels, like I said earlier, to allow abundant light to come flowing in. Prices for these units start in the upper $600,000 mark and go until the mid $700,000 mark with low condo fees. You enjoy the tour and I'll catch you at the end.
I were choosing a place to live, and I was thinking about things such as no maintenance involved, so I don't have to cut the lawn or anything like that. There's schools in the area, public transportation really close by, the LRT station very nearby, plus the grocery stores, amenities, and the works in a mature community that backs onto a ravine with ponds. If you like more information about these townhomes, please contact me, call, text, or email, and I would be happy to provide you with the information, as well as the townhouses that are available. And as always, if you want to check out my YouTube page in order to get more content and more availability for houses all throughout Calgary, please do so. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with someone that you know that really wants a townhouse in a stunning area in Calgary. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll catch you on the next video.